As for people lang kaya niyo po. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Welcome here in the Philippines time. Good evening everyone. Everything for the free somewhere how to always Oh my god, Tim, where are you? You've been too long here. Why? Pasaksak man! Pasaksak? Pasaksak? I'm here, duh. Oh, you're here. I thought you're not here. It's a zero. No views. No. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kahit wala na. Hi guys! Thank you for joining. 8 people here now. Spaghetti pababa ng pababa. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 13 people here now. Huh? Thank you for watching. Thank you. I'm here though. I'm here though. Thank you for watching everyone here. Shut the door. Okay, sorry. The tiger, what are you doing? I'm doing live. Copy. Looking outfit. Thank you, Tiger. The Tiger. Where are you from, the Tiger? Where are you from? Vegas. I'm from Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines province. Spaghetti pababa, pababa, pababa. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. You're always welcome. Salamat. Thank you too. Thank you for the thumbs up. Guys, thank you. Thanks. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for thank you for feedback. Oh my god, my mental block. Thank you for joining here, guys. 16 people here. Thank you so much. Elaine Ken Tolentino. Hi, Elaine. Thank you for joining here, Elaine. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up. Pababa. Thank you for the thumbs up. I coffee. Kuya Gab. Kaya mo na ako buksan ng pinggan tabi. Kuya Gab. Oh, pinggan. Nani na itsura ni Babang Pinapis na sana. Pag kaya na itsura rin. Mabatog na naman. Thank you for the thumbs up. OG Brown, Shirley, he is selling. I'm selling. Thank you, God. I'm selling. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hey everyone, in New Zealand. Duh. Double tap your screen. Thank you, my team. OG, you're gonna be nice today. Thank you, guys. Please hit the like. Thank you, my team. Augie, I hope you're nice today. Augie. Please be nice. Okay. Augie, be nice. Thank you for the thumbs up. No, the other day you were disrespectful to me. Yeah, sure, I'm always nice. Thank you, Luigi. Hi, Stephen Marthon. Good evening, Cheryl. Nice to seeing you here today. You're looking beautiful as always. Thank you, Stephen Marthon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just talk with the host. Okay, and you will be okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I love you, idol. Oh, Celso Cabilao. Oh. Celso. Hey, Celso. Thank you so much. What? What then? What? Uh, Tim, no, I was joking and you jumped right into me and share a conversation. You started it, bro, not me. Oh my god. Looking at your short videos, I don't know. If you're single again, no worries if you're still in a relationship, but I wasn't sure. I'm still not single. Before I'm single, but now I'm not single. Just talk with her. I jumped in because she doesn't know a lot of US issues. Okay. Him. Okay, let it go then, bro. Thank you, guys. Oh my god. It's gone. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's that. Thank you so much. Oh, breathe somewhere in your heart. You're always show. Where is your economist? Here. I don't want to wear because I can't. You know. Finally, I get another look of your beautiful you. Thank you, Jaime. Thanks, Jaime. Thank you for watching, everyone here. Thank you so much. My mask is still here. It's in case of need to wear. I have. Thank you, Jaime. Thank you for 11 people here now. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are my daily dose of inspiration. Oh my god. Shirley, nice mask. Thank you. Nice mask. But I want the mask like this, not this. I don't like this. I want this, the mask. Yeah. I'm not Shirley. I'm Cheryl. RYL, not RYRLY. Cheryl, not Shirley. Wrong spelling is wrong. Thank you everyone here. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Please. Pigiling pababa ng pababa. Taradat, taradat. Iba't sabi mo, ako'y iyong mahal. Kailanman ako'y malapit na guys. Oh my god. I felt overwhelmed. Up. Leading my house to class. 23. I'm thinking that people fall in love in mysterious ways. Baby, now you can tell having arms. Suddenly silent. Suddenly silent. Because one on there are 9 people. Why don't you type? Maybe they are watching. They're. Yep, yep. After every challenge, you bounce back strong. Now, more damage here can with BioProtein Care plus peptide complex. It stops up to 90% of your body strength. Hair regrowth 20 times stronger. If Dove Peptide Bond Repair. Thank you for watching, everyone here. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm gonna be a metal mountain. I don't wanna make it good. Pushing. Oh, wait. Too loud outside. Everybody feels like it. Everybody feels from the other side. It's a blind, yeah. Keep moving, climbing. Keep on, baby. Haha. Where is Char? We need to introduce her to Steve. Char maybe is working. You know he's working. She's working. She's working, hard working. Malay malala. Babala. Oh my. Eddie wow. Thank you for the thumbs up. He's gone. Yeah. Thank you, my team. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Hi, William. Good morning to my beautiful friend. Thank you, William. How are you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. At sa bawat minutang you are very welcome. Thank you, William. It's day. It's what Hi, Donny Porter. Hello, looking beautiful as always. Welcome back. It's a very long time no here. BC? Thank you, Donny Porter. Thank you so much. Long time no here. Thank you for 11 people here. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Can you please subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up, stand by, stay tuned, everyone. I live here in Bicol, province, Philippines. Yes, you're right. Something. Ang boy kong I watch you all the time. Just don't comment a lot. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much. Giants Live. Hi po. Hi, Giants Live. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Why just watch Donnie? You're welcome. Comment. Yeah, very always welcome. Comment here. Don't hesitate. Just ask. See something. Kumusta po? Okay lang. Taga saan ka, Giants Live? Taga saan ka po? Naglaro eh. Thank you po. Giants Live. It makes the live boring if no one comments. Yeah, need someone makulit. Need someone matanong. Need someone mausisa. Bago lang po kayo sa YouTube. Matagal na ako dito. Kayo po, bago lang or matagal na? Matagal-tagal na rin. Hindi pa na-monetize. Na-monetize na dati, na-demonetize. Kaya kailangan kong ma-monetize ulit. So, matagal ka na po dito sa YouTube, Giants Live. Monetize channel ka na ba? Done like po. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Hope you subscribe my channel. Giant English. Saan ka dito sa Pinas, Giant? Where are you here in the Philippines? Giants Live. Maybe if you are single, Giant, everyone here having interested someone single. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the thumbs up. Pushing. Bago lang po ako. Na-monetize. Hindi pa nakasahod. Sana ngayong buwan. I hope. Okay. Ay, congrats. Monetize channel ka na. Thank you so much. Good luck sa'yo. Oh my God. Sana ma-monetize na ang channel ko. Sana. Mang Kukulam. Good evening, Manay. Good evening sa'yo. Kumusta ka man? Manay talaga. Ang pangit naman ng pangalan mo, Mang Kukulam. Ang Kukulam talaga. Oh my God. Thank you, sis. Always welcome. Taga saan ka dito sa Pinas, Giants? Bonjour, Coco Tuba bien. Hi, Michael Taya. Hello, team. Sorry from Giants Live. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, guys. Cebu. Cebu, Toledo pa. Okay. What okay means team? Okay, Cebu. Where are you from, sis? I'm from Bicol. Bicolana. Bicolana me. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt bisous. Merci beaucoup, Michael. Merci beaucoup. A lot of buildings destroyed because of earthquakes. Why going on here? Why going on outside? Here, Golden here, volcan Bulusan here, eruption. Volcano eruption niya. Bakit na-demonetize po kayo? Kung okay lang po, magtanong. Na-demonetize ako kasi dapat, within 6 months, dapat consistent ka. Kapag monetize channel ka na, consistent ka mag-upload. Kahit sa loob ng 6 months or ng isang buwan, kailangan may ma-upload ka kahit short video, live, videos. So ako kasi, more than 6 months, walang upload, walang lives, walang short video, kahit ano wala. Ang baho ng ash galing sa vulkan. Kahit ano wala. Kaya na-demonetize ang back to zero. Yung ko, kailangan ko ma-reach yung watch hour. So nag-back to zero ako. So ayun, mano-mano, balik tayo sa mahirap. Kaya ngayon, medyo malapit nang ma-monetize. So kailangan sige para ma-monetize ulit. Mahirap. Ingat pala kayo dyan ang alert. Salamat, salamat, Kuko. Kuko na lang. Thank you, Kuko, English. Kuko, can you please English? Kasi baka manok ka. Yep. Thank you, Giants. Sorry, Tim, forgive me. Sorry, Tim, forgive me. Okay. Okay. Okay po, laban lang po tayo. Lover learn. Yes, laban lang para sa pangarap. Para sa ekonomiya. Tama. Giant what? Giants. Thank you, Giants Live. Aray ko. Where are you from, team? USC, Texas. This team is from USC, Texas. Thank you so much, guys. Aray ko. Sorry, don't leave me. How are you, sis? Are you near in volcano there? Yeah, too close here on the volcano. The volcan Bulusan. We're too close. Super close. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god, 11 thumbs up now here na. And then thank you for people here watching. Yeah, she has her magic face mask. It will protect her make. Be careful, sis, and your family like now always have earthquake. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Giants Live. Thank you so much. Tomorrow's gonna be another month. Tomorrow's gonna make it good. Something's gonna have to last. Everybody, thank you so much. Sarado naman Pentagon. Be careful, sis, and your family like now always have earthquake. Thank you so much, Giants Live. Thank you. Yeah, earthquake. Yes, so many, flood, storm. Oh my God, what's happening here in the Philippines? I guess no school tomorrow. I don't know. No, no. I don't know if have school tomorrow. Not yet. No advisory for it. The no, if having a school tomorrow. God is mad of all this. Oh my God. So many scammers nowadays. Be careful. Be careful to all these scammers. God is mad of all these scammers. Scammers. Yep, yep. Thank you so much for people here. Thank you for watching. 11 million the thumbs up. Oh. You wish 11 million. Yeah, the thumbs up. The thumbs up. How I wish. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a wish. Nothing wrong about it. Just the dream. In my dreams. Some people wanna know. I just We'll never know. Beth Agsam. Hi, Beth Agsam. Hello. Hello, Beth Agsam. Wait. Hello, Beth. Oh my god. Damn. Aray. Ha, where people here now? The Leo. Going another channel. Oh my. Wait, what are you doing, Tim, now? What are you doing now? What are you doing? Nothing. Thank you, Les. He look me. Where people, they why they live? Some people wanna know. Just never but everything is a thing. If I get you. Thank you for watching, everyone here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Pap, parap, pap, pap. I don't know why they leave. Maybe because they know they don't have a chance with what? Maybe not. Maybe not. They know I'm not single. They know I'm not single. They know I'm taken, already taken. Really? Yep, yep. They already know. And she's taken. Thank you, Golden. You're here, still here now. Well, Steve asked one question, you answered, and he go. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why. You think I'm single or not? I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe he confused if I'm single or not. Maybe because when you're not yet met, those are I'm single. We're not yet met. Maybe I think I remember he joined me here before, and those time I'm single. Do you think you is it easy to you are easy? Yeah, maybe. Yes, because he was watching the other day when we broke up on live. Maybe I don't know. Uh, Yep. And maybe that's why. I don't know. Maybe I know. I think Steven is he's already he have a Filipino girlfriend. I remember before. That's why he live here. He live here in the Philippines, and maybe he come back in I don't know what his country from, but I remember he came here and live in a vacation because he met his Filipino girlfriend. That's why he's not single. He's committed. He have a Filipino girlfriend. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much. Sometimes it's really weird. Why? Yeah, I really weird. It's really weird. Sometimes men loyal to their partner, their girlfriend, their wife, but sometimes even they have already taken, they already committed with someone like girlfriend or fiance, wife. Why the something talk another women. Yeah, I think it's okay to talk another woman like nice talk with friends, but it's a little something fishy. It's not. But Steven, I think he's not. Commented her because I think he's just He's friendly. He's nothing. No, it's nothing. Nothing. No color. No color. No meaning. I mean, no meaning. Like if I'm someone, maybe he cheats. I don't know. We don't know. Yes, God. Okay, I can talk other woman. Why you talk? No, don't talk. Don't say that. Tim, Tim, you see my muscle, Tim. I'm strong. I'm strong enough. You said Stephen. Yeah, because I don't know him. That's why I don't know. Then I can talk to you. Oh my god. Ay, very strong. Be careful, Tim. Tim, be careful. I have a muscle. Aray ko. I have a muscle. See, then everyone can talk to other. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that like that. Oh my god. No. No. Don't think so. Really, if you golden, if you found someone like you already committed, I hope I hope I hope don't stays. Be careful with your girlfriend's heart. No, yeah, please don't talk to other. It's my advice, friend advice. If you finally found someone, please don't talk to other, or else you will relax. Yeah, if I'm relaxed. I'm calm. Always calm down. Yeah. I can talk, don't mean I'm doing anything wrong. Yeah, okay. Be good. Be good. Be nice. Be kind. Oh my god. Be nice to your girlfriend. Or else you get a guy, you get like when we get off live, she will call me, ask me if I want to talk to another girl. Trust me. Oh my god. Damn. Stop. Oh my god. I'm not, just asking. Oh my god. Just ask. Already you too. Oh my god. Duh. Because Urban is linking up with a satellite in space overthinking. Stop. linking. Linking up with the satellite. And this was our singing. My team. Because her brain. My brain talaga. She will dream tonight and dream me. No, I'm not. Stop. She do that. Oh my god. Yes, every night. Oh my god. I feel shy, Tim. Stop it. Be nice to our guest here. What in a dream. I dream last night. My dream he killed me, and the last night I dream he cheated on me, and I dreamed another. Pass. How many nights pass? I dream he with someone. If she was an overthinker in school, she would be a scientist. Girls are funny.
Ano, pira mo na yung kadal din na-check yun. Pira percent.
I don't know. But all in all, she is okay. Oh my god. Gab, paano yung tabi Kuya Gab? Kuya Gab. She looked very chill. Yeah, I chill. I feel chill. I'm just chill. Cool. Like, buklaro na yung Kuya Gab. Then she made when she wakes up because she thinks I'm in the dream for real. How insan, hi insan. Oh my god. Yep. Not so easy. Wow. Not so easy to be me. Oh my god. Not so easy. Ah. Wow. Duh. That's woman for you. Hi, Insan. Kumusta? Magandang umaga. Good morning to you there, America. I'm gonna have to sleep with body armor on. Ang kulit no? Kim! Hi, Char from Tim. I'm just watching while waiting for my blood draw. Ah, blood draw? Where that big woman at? Thank you for the thumbs up. Nagabukla na yun. I just had her nice hill rise. Sorry, Golden, I'm not big. My cousin were same size. No, not height. Maybe he's taller than me. I think, and just few inch, and a little fat, just a little fat. Uh, just a little. I think we're same size. Char looks like a toothpick with a lot of hair. Oh my god, what? Tsura nito. Where is she at? Nosy, wise, you're the same. Oh, see. Ang kapal na mukha nito dito. Ang kapal na mukha. Hindi ko na yun. Churchill just called you a little fat. Just a little. Fat than me. Just a little. Oh my god, Tim. Oh my god. Because I'm slim. I'm too slim. Her body is better than me. A little. I said a little fat for me than me. So means if I slim, her body is like good. You don't call a girl fat. I don't call. What should I say? She have what should I say? Oh my god, you make me crazy, Tim. She's malusog than me. She healthy than me. Like that. She looking good at me, yeah. No, I think you both have the same body size. Yeah, we're the same body size. But I think she's a good size than me. So you're saying Char has a big ass. Stop. Damn. Gigigil ako sa'yo. Gigigil. Thank you for treating people here. I thank you for the Tarkin Council. Thank you for. What? So no, sure, I don't want charter legs. Huh? I'm not saying that you. Oh my god, damn. Aray. Ouch. That's what you're thinking. Huh? Ang kulit mo, ang gulong kausap. You are, Richard, the volcano is about to blow. Ang kulit. Parang nag-iisip na. Gab, sabi ko na. Ayun na. Ito mama na, balik ka na lang. Kaya nga. Yep. Hey.
Mama, muna kumian. Mama,
Ha?
hindi ko lang nagtira ko yun.
Kaya nga.
Maya.
Yun na, nag-ano. Opo.
Ito na mama.
Ha?
Hindi na ako nagbilog.
Excuse me. Hello. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gabi. Excuse me, Gabi. Sorry to. Niyada na naman. Balik na. Niyada higda mo. Straight. She is at work. Yeah, she's working. She lives in UNC Golden. Yeah. Where's Golden? She lives in UNC Golden. Where's Golden now? Oh my god. Where's she now? Where are you now? Oh my god. Who that? Who that makudat? My cousin, she lives in the USA. She's working there. Oh, okay. Okay, life is almost over. She is about to sleep. She in the bed. Thank you for the. No, I'm still on the live. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, people here. I want massage. Charot. Hmm. Sorry, I'm back. I just got back from blood draw. Okay, it's yeah for 5 minutes. What? Blood draw insan? Ano yun? Ano yung ibig sabihin? There goes the hand. There goes the hand. I just do my annual love draw. Ah, okay. Char, do you ever miss the vain and patient man? Oh, your own blood. Your own blood? I'm not a bat, just a little bit what. If you curious, Golden, open my channel. Yeah, my cousin, she's so beautiful. Golden, you can stalk my cousin. She's beautiful. Do you do live chat? He's busy. She's busy. She's working. Tim, when I do dialysis, I don't miss the pain, or else they will not get dialysis for weeks. Just kidding. Naalala ko yung mga Naalala ko dati, nagsimula yun sa dialysis no insan. Yung tanong-tanong dati ni Kuan. Ni Kuan dati. Ang tangin nanggagago pala yun. Nanggagago pala yun. Nagano pa ba siya sa'yo? Nag, kinakausap ka pa ba nun? Nagparamdam pa ba? Nagbayad na ba? Tarantado yun. Nope, I don't do live. I might have to start dialysis soon, huh? Where is that Golden now? He's hiding. Golden, where are you now? Why are you hiding? Ang bait na ni Golden. Ay, napaka-misteryosong tao niya. Naiwagaan ako sa kanya. Pero mabait siya. Mabait. Oh. I might sell one of my kidneys. What? Me hiding? Why sell? Nakakatakot naman to. I'm scared about the word sell. Huh? Is it true, Tim? Sorry, Golden is still here. They are paying $50,000 for one. Oh my god. Whatever. But y- what? Why do you want for money? For what? Oh my god! You sell your body organ for the $50,000? Ew! For what? Duh! Buy for. Stop it! Shut up! Don't buy. God, ang kulit naman ito. No need. No need to. My God. I can walk. I can live without scatter. Siya! Parang pakonsensya tong lalaki nito ah. Yeah. And new iPhone. I don't need new iPhone. I don't need. My God. Nakainis ka. Ta! Don't mind. Don't mind about that. And 500 bags of Stop. I can ano, I can live without iPhone, you know. I can live without scooter with just your cousin. My cousin, yadi ka pa ba insan? Maybe he's busy. He's just busy. Oh my God. Are you still here? Oh my God. Yeah, Golden, you don't need to bring here. Someone paid for her to come here already. I think I'm getting sick. Why? Sorry again, I got a call. I'm getting sick. Oh my God, Golden. I think I'm getting sick. Oh my God. Soldier, are you scratching the butthole? No. Stop. The soldier. The no. Why are you getting sick? What happened to you, Golden? Golden, I told you not to read what I delayed. Okay. Why you feel sick? What happened? Golden. My cousin is just here now. Don't feel sick. I do dialysis, giving life, not taking a kidney Tim. Yes! Pakonsensya si Tim. Pakonsensya. My God. Weather is changing. The weather is changing. Golden, don't feel sick. My cousin is here now. Ah, hello. Hi. Yes, it's fun getting cold. I getting cold. I think she was sleepy. No, I'm not sleepy. I'm wide awake. Wide awake. Hello, Golden. I'm still wide awake. Look. Where from, soldier? I'm gonna sell one of mine. Put a sell sign for sell one good kidney at bargain price. Oh my god, Tim, you never listen. I'm I'm mad at you. I'm getting mad at you. My goodness. So, ang kulit mo, Tim. That's your bad face. I control myself. I need to be nice people here. I get a lot of takers, zero blood type. It is it is a mad face. My mad face. Ang pangit. Pangit na nga pinapangit pa. I'm getting mad but my face is stay the same. Your blood is serotype, Tim. Exotic Pinay are gems and beauty to foreigners. Ano ba yung sinasabi? Ano yan? Exotic Pinay are gems and beauty to foreigners. Zero type, zero type. Blood type O. Zero type, not O. O type, not zero. Not what? O type, not O type, not O. Ang kulit. Ang kulit mo, Tim. Ang kulit mo, Tim. Ang kulit. No, it's you. It's me? Exotic Pinay are gems and beauty. Type O. Okay. It's you. Who you? Me or who? Who? Mm, soldiers. Who? Just men's guys. I need to try it for a bit. Just okay, Insan. Take her, Insan. Take her. God bless. You type. You type. Ang kulit. You type. Oh my God. Ang kulit naman ito. Kakainis naman. Wait. Saan darating ang mga salita? Ang gagawin sa mundo. Aking sinta. Oh my God. Thank you for the thumbs up. Isa talagang makulit na makulit. Chiri-di-di-di-di-di-di-di. Malamig, malamig, malamig. Ang kulit. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for joining here. Bye. God bless you. See you next live. Bye. I'm going to sleep now. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, main son. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone here. Thank you for joining. God bless us. Bye.